Hello everyone, I'm Tom Finley, and in this video I'm going to go through how to link your Google Calendar to TomCRM. Okay, I've logged into my account. There's two ways you can edit the settings. You can go to calendars and then go to calendar settings, and that takes you to the same place. If you go into settings and then calendars, it takes you to the same place. So I'm going to add a new calendar, personal booking, calendar name, put my name. It's going to be me, the team member, but if you've got different members within your team, you can name the calendar after them and then select the member of your team and make sure it's all linked within the system. Bookings, again, I'm just going to call it Tom Finley. Meeting duration 30 minutes. Between 9 and 5. Some advanced settings there. So you can add your calendar logo. Add the logo in. Availability, you can play with the different days. If you don't want to book too many meetings in a day, so 25%, just an example. Meeting intervals, meeting duration, schedule, I know at least 3 days in advance. Date range of the calendar, it's going to be 10 days. Maximum booking per day is 1. Per slot per user is 1. Buffer time, so 15 minutes between meetings, before and after. Forms and payment. So forms and payments, this is where you can edit what your customer will see. Give them a consent checkbox, and turn that off and on. You can pre-populate fields if need be. Give them the ability to add guests. Takes them to a confirmation page. So thank you for your appointment. We will contact you shortly to confirm your request. Please call the office at your contact method. You don't have to have this in there. You can just put your own message. Optional Facebook pixel there. Then if you were charging for meeting slots, you can turn this on here. I can't turn it on right now as I haven't set up payment. So notifications and additional options. These are things that you actually do need to turn on, because at the minute when someone books and then confirms of a meeting, it confirms just within the TomCRM platform. However, you do need to go in here and enable the email, so you get an email notification when someone books a meeting in your calendar, saying when they've confirmed. Personally, I also want one when they've cancelled. And rescheduled. Also want reminders. I want to allow Google, or if it was Outlook, we were setting up to send invitation and update emails. And that's if you had multiple people within your organization that you're setting up the different calendars for. You can assign contacts to the respective calendar team. Then if customers wanted to reschedule the meeting, you can allow a reschedule up to, I'm going to go 60 minutes before the meeting. Anytime before that is not very nice. Allow cancellation of meeting. I'm going to go 30 minutes on that one. And that's just the notes that get sent through about the meeting. Cancellation, reschedule. And then we go to customization. So what color you want the form. You can have a calendar cover image. You can change the colors if need be. Change the button text. And also put in a bit of custom code if needed. So if we preview that widget. And so people can book in the time, select 1 o'clock, schedule meeting. Well, our meeting has been scheduled. As you can see, we haven't got a Google Meeting link in here, so we need to go back in and make sure that's set up. So we need to go into integrations and sign in with Google. I'll follow the prompts via Google to sign in. So continue, allow. So if your account on TomCRM was connected to different sub accounts, you'd have a list here. We're just going for the one here. Connect that. And that is now, Google is now connected. Now we've set that all up, the other thing that we need to do is hop over to my profile. And we need to make sure it's synced. And this you would do the same for Outlook as well. You need to connect your email. As you see, I've followed the prompts. Press connect. Press connect, and now that's connected. Calendar settings is connected. Calendar configuration. So we need this needs to be made sure this is this one. So we press add email address. Basically, we're switching it around. You can have a second conflict calendar. I'm going to add my personal calendar. I share that one with my wife, and it's useful so meetings don't get booked in when, for example, I've got the kids. Or as I've done there, you can add in holidays in the UK so people can't book when there is a national holiday. That's all sorted now, and as you can see, it's pulled through my calendar. So if I go to settings and pull that link to my calendar and try to book another meeting now. I'll book one for next week. Schedule meeting. There you go, you've got the Google Meet link there. If we add that to our calendar, the Google Meet is there. This is the meeting invite from myself to myself. You can see I've got the Google Meet invite there. It has put that into my calendar automatically, but I can add it to other calendars if I wanted to. I hope you found that helpful. As always, if there's any questions, please reach out. Best ways to do it is hello@tomcrm.co.uk. Thanks, and bye for now.